Connie Otto, and we're going to do a video tour of this house right here in Pasadena, Maryland. Come on and check it out with me. This house is at 2743 Bayside Beach Road in Pasadena, Maryland. It sits on over a quarter acre of land, 0.30. It has a gourmet kitchen. It has a fenced-in yard. It has a one car detached garage. And as you see, it has really nice curb appeal. Nice porch for sitting out. It's covered, so it's sitting out watching the traffic go by if you want to on beautiful nights. We are going into the living room, and it has brand new floors, and you'll see that it's very large open floor plan here. Has a nice ceiling fan. You'll see it looks into a huge gourmet kitchen. Very nice, nicely decorated. This cabinetry here can be removed, so you can put a kitchen table in here. She just decided she wanted more counter space. A really large, nice, open living room. Does have a new hot water heater that was installed in 2024. And this is your owner's suite right here. You'll see it's very spacious with a queen size bed. Also has a ceiling fan for you. It is very nice sized. Has a nice closet here. And this is your first full bathroom. Beautiful bathroom. The new vanity. Has a tub and a shower. Tiled floors. And this is your second bedroom here. You'll see it kind of has like a divot in there, but it would definitely hold another queen size bed if you wanted to, or if you had kids, maybe some bunk beds, another ceiling fan. And we go back out. That's a linen closet right there to your right that we passed. And there's a door leading out to the patio, and here we are going to go down into the basement. This house has a new drain field that was installed in 2021, so you don't have to worry about getting any water down here. And this is the second full bathroom here. It has to have a stand-up shower. You have a full laundry room here with a sink and lots of storage here. Lots of storage in this room. This has been set up like in a little apartment. It has its own refrigerator, has a microwave. It could be used as an in-law suite. This is what my client uses it for her father. It's got his office down here. It's got a nice queen size bed in this large room. That door leads out to outside. You go out it and you go up to the patio, so you have a private entrance if you'd like to rent this room out. Has a closet, has a window. You'll see he has a lot of big furniture in there, so definitely a nice space. You could use this as a media room, a play room for your kids if you have any kids and you'd like to buy this house. And go out onto the patio, and it's very cool out here. It was pretty hot the day I took this video, and it was very cool. And you'll see that is the staircase leading down to that bedroom in the basement, so they could always come in through the patio door and just go right down to their room. And it's very spacious for, like, you know, get-togethers. Everybody could be cool, or they could come outside. It has a detached one-car garage. You could use it as a workspace. You could put your boat in there. And a very big backyard. I mean, it's a beautiful backyard. You'll see, very spacious. Go here and take a look. This house also has a new water treatment system that was put in 2026. So it has 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath, a kitchen and living room on the main level with a nice enclosed patio. And in the basement we have 1 bedroom, you could make it into a playroom downstairs. You could use it as a media room. You know, nice big basement. You could fit about 8 cars out here on this slab. So if you have a party, you wouldn't have to worry about parking. Coni Otto, and this concludes our tour here in Pasadena, Maryland, 2743 Bayside Beach Road. And we hope you enjoyed it. If you love this video, come and take a look or schedule an appointment with the Coni Otto team of Long and Foster. Have a great day. Bye-bye.